Today we are going to learn about another implicit object, that is a response implicit object. A response implicit object is of type HTTP servlet response. Okay, whenever the user gives the request, then servlet container, what it will do, it will create one implicit object, right? That response type, a response. The name is response. Okay, so now by using that, what we can do, I have already explained as part of servlet tutorial. By using the response object, what we can do, we can manipulate the response. So some kind of manipulation we can do by using that response object. Okay, so that I am going to explain as part of today's video. Okay, so today we'll see that how we'll work with the response implicit response object. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do here is, like, I am going to create one search form. Okay, so let me create one HTML form, that is file HTML file, that is search form, is okay, search form. So this form action is equals to implicit underscore response dot JSP. Okay, so this is the form I have created. This will redirect on submit. This will redirect to this JSP page. Okay, so before that, I just wanted to write the h1. So it will be user search form. Okay, so this is the form name, and what this will be displayed, and here I'm going to take input from the user. Okay, input type is equals to text, and name is equals to search query. Okay, and name equal to search query. Okay, so here I will write beer, and then what I'll do, I will submit that input type is equals to submit, and value is equals to submit. Okay, so this is the form I have written, and now I'm going to create the JSP page. Okay, so JSP file. So this is the JSP page I'm going to create. So in this JSP, what I am going to do here is, once this search firm submits the request by the search query, whatever the person wants to search, he will put, once the submit button is clicked, so it will redirect to implicit response.jsp. In the implicit response.jsp, I am going to capture that whatever the user sent. Now for what he want to search. Okay, so that is a Java code I just wanted to write. So for that, I will write the tag. Okay, so here I will capture this string request. I'll take the request equal to the implicit object is request dot get parameter. Okay, this is the implicit object I will take, and here I will close this one, colon, and here what is the implicit object? Search query. Okay, search query is the this is the key. Okay, so we have received the request parameter, whatever the user has submitted. Okay, so then what I am going to do, response dot send redirect. Okay, send redirect is the method of the HTTP servlet response method, right? So here I'm going to send to the URL. Okay, let me go to this one, and let me search. Yeah, okay, youtube.com. Okay, so here what I will do, I will search something called something I will search. Okay, so this is the query param is equals to dd. Here it is coming. So what I will do, I will take this one, and what I will do, I will provide the parameter, the whatever the URL I want to provide, that I will provide, and here I just append that query string, the request. I just wanted to append. Okay, so what it will do, it will redirect to this URL, and whatever the query string we want to search, this will be searched by the search by the this URL. Okay, so what it will do, it will search based on the whatever the input we have provided. Okay, so that's all. So let me deploy this one. So server is getting started. Let me take this, and here what I will do, I will search this one slash search search form dot html. Okay, search form, it was search form dot html, user search form. Okay, so what I'll do, I will search servlet by Prakash IT. Okay, if I search servlet by Prakash IT, then if I hit submit, here we got the 500 error. That means some issue. Our code is having some issue. Implicit response.jsp. Okay, so implicit response.jsp. Okay, oh yeah. So send, we have the spelling mistake while writing. Okay, so I think the issue is resolved now. Let me give the request. Okay, once I hit submit, then what it is doing, it is redirecting me to the YouTube, the whatever the URL we have provided, and it is searching whatever the content corresponding to that. Okay, so if I go to this, and we are getting all the result related to Prakash IT. Okay, servlet tutorial, servlet basic, servlet course content, servlet JSP overview, all the servlet related to Prakash IT it is providing. Okay, so I hope the response implicit object, that is from HTTP servlet response, that is clear to everyone. So that's all for this video. We'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Okay.